Okay, guys. So today we are starting our last topic, which we discussed in the last class. That is, I think multicast flooding was pending, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Multicast flooding, guys. Multicast flooding is nothing. Try to understand one scenario. For example, I have a router one, a router two, a router three, a router four. I have total how many router, guys? Four router. Okay. For example, I have a switch. And with this switch, all the routers are connected like this. All the routers are connected like this. For example, on every router, guys, we are using any routing protocol. For example, OSPF we are using. What, guys? We are using the OSPF. You guys, do you guys know something about the OSPF? Anything? When we configure the OSPF on the router, what OSPF will do, guys? OSPF first of all exchange the hello packet. Which packet, guys? Hello
Hello,
packet.
Patrick.
And basically, with the help of hello packet, router try to establish the neighbor. What, guys? Router try to establish the neighborship. Getting my point? So basically, that is the use of hello packet. Just understand only these things. We will discuss the OSPF in a very detailed way in routing. Right now, just understand when we configure the OSPF, router exchange the hello packet, and the main use of hello packet is to establish the neighborship. Getting my point? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
basically, when, for example, you configure OSPF here, so definitely router number one will generate which packet, guys? Hello packet. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes.
na? So, for example, IP address is here 10.1. For example, what is the source IP? 10.1? Tell me yes or no. Right,
Yep.
na? But what will be the destination IP? Destination IP will be, guys, multicast IP. What is, guys? Multicast IP. Getting my point?
Yes.
Understand? Yes. You guys understand, everyone?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by multicast? Who can tell me?
That address could reach on every device.
Okay. Okay. I'm just telling you the basic thing. When this router will generate the OSPF packet, guys, so destination IP address will be multicast. Destination IP address will be 224.0.0.5.
Yes.
That will be the destination IP address, and that is called, guys, multicast IP. That is called multicast. Fine. So when this packet will reach on the switch, what switch will do? When this packet reach on the switch, what switch will do? That is the thing you need to understand. That is called, guys, multicast flooding. That is called multicast flooding. If you guys remember, I told you, I think in previous or first classes about the some IGMP. IGMP is nothing. IGMP stands for, guys, Internet Group Management Protocol. What is Internet Group Management Protocol? Getting my point? So basically, what is the use of this IGMP? Hey guys, basically, whenever switch will receive the multicast packet, switch will forward this packet multicastly when you enable the IGMP on switch. When you enable the IGMP on switch. Getting my point? Tell me, guys. Right
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want, your switch will behave like a multicast also, or your switch will perform the multicast also, then you need to configure the IGMP. But without IGMP, what switch will do? Switch will treat your multicast frame like a broadcast frame. Like a, guys, broadcast frame. Getting my point? It means whenever any multicast packet will reach on the switch, what switch will do, guys? Switch will broadcast this packet through all the interface except जिस पे उसने रिसीव किया है, राइट एवरीवन? यस और नो? राइट है ना?
Incoming code.
इस वाले इंटरफेस को छोड़ के बाकी हर एक इंटरफेस से क्या करेगा? ब्रॉडकास्ट कर देगा. Getting my point, everyone? Is this clear to all of you? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
That is called, guys, multicast framing. Okay, so there are some points that you need to remember about the multicast frame. What is the range of IP address of multicast? Multicast IP range is, guys, कौन बताएगा मुझे? multicast range IP कौन बताएगा? मैंने बता रखा है 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255 यही तो रेंज होती है. अरे बताओ, मल्टीकास्ट आईपी की रेंज यही होती है. Getting my point? Whenever you see any packet from this range, you can easily understand this packet is the multicast packet.
Multicast.
Getting my point? Understand? So this range of IP address is basically reserved for the multicast IP address. Fine. अब जरा ये बताओ, कोई भी पैकेट जब इनकैप्सुलेट होगा, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, जब भी कोई पैकेट इनकैप्सुलेट होगा, फाइन, फॉर एग्जांपल लेयर 7 से होते हुए आ रहा है ना, लेयर 4 पे आया, फिर लेयर 3 पे भी आएगा, यस और नो. जब पैकेट लेयर 3 पे आएगा, लेयर 4 पे जो आपका डेटा होता है उसे क्या बोलते हो? लेयर नंबर 4 पे हम कहते हैं सेगमेंट. राइट ना एवरीवन? At layer number 4 we are calling segment. What layer number 4 will do? Layer number 4 will hand over this segment to layer number 3. Yes ना? अरे layer number 3 को क्या मिल गई? Segment मिल गई. At layer number 3 which protocol you are using? IP protocol you are using? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What IP protocol will do? IP protocol will add here IP before header. Yes or no? Tell
Yes.
me guys. Right? And overall is called, guys, packet. Right?
Packet.
Layer number 3 will hand over this to layer number 2. At layer number 2 आपको कौन मिलेगा? यहाँ पे आरपा मिलेगा. आरपा को क्या मिला? यहाँ पे पैकेट मिला. Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. So understand one thing. At layer number 3 जब IP प्रोटोकॉल यहाँ पे चीजें ऐड कर रहा था, तो सोर्स IP क्या रहा होगा? फॉर एग्जांपल दिस राउटर के केस की बात करते हैं. इन दिस केस सोर्स IP क्या होगा गाइस? 10.1. यस और नो?
1.
अरे टेल मी गाइस, अरे इस आईपी पैकेट आईपी हेडर के अंदर क्या क्या कंटेंट होता है? कौन कौन बताएगा भाई? आईपी हेडर के अंदर होती है सोर्स आईपी, डेस्टिनेशन आईपी, टीटीएल वैल्यू, प्रोटोकॉल नंबर. यस और नो? अरे टेल मी गाइस.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the source IP, guys? 10.1. What will be the destination IP? Destination IP will be 224.0.0.5.
5.
That is the unicast, multicast or broadcast. That is the multicast. Yes, na? Everyone,
Yes.
tell me guys. Yes, na? Okay. Now layer number 3 will hand over this packet to layer number 2. अब आ जाओ आरपा. आरपा देखेगा पहले क्या? सोर्स आईपी. व्हाट इज द सोर्स आईपी?
10.1.
10.1. आरपा क्या करेगा? अपना मैक एड्रेस लुकअप करेगा. यस और नो?
Yes,
अरे
sir.
सॉरी, मैक
Yes,
एड्रेस
sir.
अपना एआरपी टेबल लुकअप करेगा.
Mhm.
टेल मी गाइस, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
राइट ना? अपने एआरपी टेबल के अंदर क्या मिल जाएगा उसे? मैक एड्रेस मिल जाएगा. यस और नो?
Yes.
मैक एड्रेस पुट कर देगा 10.1 का. फॉर एग्जांपल समथिंग. Now what is the destination IP address? 224.0.0.5. That is the multicast. If your source IP is unicast, it means your source MAC must be a unicast. If your destination IP is multicast, then definitely your destination MAC will be multicast. अरे अंडरस्टैंड ना? यस और नो? टेल मी. अरे जब आप ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट भेजते हो तो आईपी क्या होती है आपकी? यही तो होती है. बताओ, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the layer number 3 IP. At layer number 2 पे क्या मिलता है आपको? At layer number 2 we are getting FFFFF. Yes or no?
Olive.
Yes, sir.
Right na? That is the same thing na which I am telling right now. Right? Again
Yes.
understand.
Yes,
If at layer number 3, if you are getting the unicast IP, then your MAC will be also unicast. If you are getting multicast IP, then MAC will be also multicast. And if you are getting broadcast IP like 255.255.255.0, then MAC will be FFFFF. Getting my point? Is this clear to all of you? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So guys, at layer number 2, definitely what will happen guys? Here MAC address will be multicast. Understand ना? यही मैं बताना चाह रहा था. याद रखना कि MAC भी क्या होगी? Multicast.
Multicast.
Clear na? Understand? Now, one more thing. How can we identify that is the multicast IP? I hope you guys are able to identify the multicast IP address, right ना? अब multicast IP address तो पहचान लोगे ना भाई? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right? I already told you the range. 224.0.0.02, 239.255.255. That is the range for multicast. Right? Na? Everyone. Now,
Yes.
how can you
sir.
identify that is the multicast MAC address? Please remember, multicast MAC address always begin with 01005E. That one. Getting my point? Everyone. Understand?
Yes.
Your MAC address always begin with this one. For example, 01005E.
5E.
कुछ भी पकड़ लो, 000001 पकड़ लो. That is the multicast MAC address. That is the multicast MAC address. Getting my point? Now, the final thing, who will manage the multicast address, guys? IGMP. IGMP is the protocol that manages the multicast group group. Or generally, what will happen when you configure na IGMP here? ऐसा नहीं है कि IGMP कोई OSPF या EIGRP की तरह ऐसा कुछ है, नहीं. Whenever you configure the IGMP here, guys, generally these ports, these are the ports. Getting my point? What will happen? These ports will join the multicast group. What will happen, guys? These ports will join the multicast group. And when these ports will join the multicast group, it means now these ports are able to entertain your multicast packet. Getting my point? Everyone. If
Yes.
Yes, sir.
your port will not join the multicast group, it means in this case, what will happen? Your switch will understand, or your switch will treat every multicast packet as the broadcast packet. अरे क्लियर है ना इतनी बातें? बता दो.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
That is all about the multicast flooding. Clear, guys? I hope multicast flooding सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Guys, our next topic is that is the trace route. That is the small topic that we need to discuss. What do you mean by trace route? Okay. So generally, for example, I am opening my CMD. I am opening my CMD and let's see. For example, I open my CMD. I am writing here TRACEROUTE 8.8.8.8. It is not taking. Why? Who can tell me?
It does not work on Windows.
It will not work on the Windows. Are you sure?
Maybe. Not sure.
TRACERT 8.8.8.8.8. Now I'm getting. That is the first difference you guys need to understand. In iOS,
Trace route for maybe Cisco device,
on the Cisco device,
router.
you need to write the trace route. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
if you are using the Windows, you need to write the tracer. That is the
Yes,
difference.
sir.
Clear? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear na? Okay. So when I write, that is the Google IP address 8.8.8.8. What is happening? I am using the Geo router. So that's the reason you guys are able to see a Reliance. Getting my point? Everyone, yes or no? Understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
when I tracered the 8.8.8 Google traffic, it means my traffic is going to different hops. Yes or no? I know only this one, because I know only this one on my device. That IP is configured. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Right? Na?
Yes,
I
sir.
don't know these devices, and these things I am not managing. This is the responsibility of Geo. But whenever we are doing the tracer, we are able to see the number of hops here. It means when अगर आप ट्रैफिक भेज रहे हो तो आपका ट्रैफिक इतने डिवाइसों से होके गुजर रहा है. Getting my point, everyone? That is the use of tracer. Clear, guys? Everyone, tell me.
Yes.
Clear ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is tracer? Tracer के बारे में एक लाइन समझ लो. It is it visible? Let me clear it. It is network diagnostic tool basically. Getting my point? That is used to trace the path of packets from source to destination. क्लियर है ना? इतनी बातें समझ में आया? बता दो.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है ना? So trace route क्या है guys? Trace route is the diagnostic tool that is used to trace the path of the packet, or you can say hops from source to destination. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Understand? So basically what it is telling, for example, if you are writing the trace route command, what is actually what you are getting? So it identifies what each hops. Either maybe you will get here router or something other device. Getting my point? Or you can say router, or you can say intermediary device, right? ना जो बीच में device होती है, यही ना मिलती है आपको भाई?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Intermediary device along with what? Along with आपको मिलती होगी वहां पे टाइम भी मिलती है. Yes or no? Tell me. Along with me.
I mean,
Yes, time it takes to reach them. Yani your packet takes how much time to reach from one hops to another hops.
another hop.
So these times also you will get. Getting my point? So
Yes.
that is the use of trace route. So generally, guys, during the troubleshooting time, for example, in the real time also, whenever I'm getting any tickets or something, if anyone is telling something is not working or something is, I'm asking, please share me the tracer. Getting my point? So we can easily identify. For example, currently, I think today or yesterday, I got one request in one network. Zoom application was not working, or they are telling there is a latency in the Zoom application. So when I check the tracer, I see all the traffic is already going from my network to client. Basically, they are using the Zoom with the client server. Okay, there is a client, and that there at client level there was a server. Okay, na? So they are accessing through this. So I found all the traffic is going with my network very well. There is no problem. But when traffic is going leaving my network and going to the client network, they are facing the latency issues. And how I get these information, guys? Basically because of the tracer. In tracer, I see there are lots of time taking. There are, for example, understand like this na. For example, ऐसे समझ लो कि अगर मैंने ट्रेसर्ट कर दिया किसी जूम एप्लीकेशन को ट्रेसर्ट किया तो लेट सपोज कर लो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 हॉप्स है. Getting my point? For example, these 5 belongs to my network. Getting my point? And these 5 belongs to client network. Here I am getting from one hops to one hops. It taking hardly 1 second to 2 seconds. But here I am getting it's take almost 5 seconds. So definitely na here there is a latency. Yes or no? Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
There is a latency. So
Latency.
we can easily say, yes, please check with your client end. What is the problem there? Getting my point? Everyone understand? I hope you guys understand basically what is the use of tracer. Clear?
Yes.
Now, tracer guys use one protocol. What is the name of protocol, guys? I already told you. It use ICMP protocol. Use guys ICMP protocol. Clear na? Everyone. Are you tell me? Yes na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you know, I already told you tracer basically send a series of packet to the destination, right na? Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right na? Are when I write the tracer here, tracer 8.8.8.8. See na, there are number of packets my device is sending here. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
My
Yes, sir.
device is sending there are number of packets. So what is the use of this one? Any idea? It first of all, understand, it send a series of packets to the destination. Getting my point? And one more thing, H with an incremented TTL value. जितने भी पैकेट्स होंगे उसमें TTL value increment होता जाएगा. Getting my point? What is the use of TTL value? I hope everyone knows now. Right? Now, TTL value is the part of IP header. Right now, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Right? So by the help of TTL value, now you can easily identify कि बीच में कितने हॉप्स थे. जितने हॉप्स होंगे उतना TTL value क्या होगा भाई? Decrement होगा.
Decrease होगा.
I already told you, whenever your packet will cross from one hops to another hops, your TTL value will be decremented by 1. Are tell me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, this is something about, guys, trace route. I hope you guys understand what is the use of trace route. Clear na? Everyone?
Yes,
Are
sir.
clear na? TTL value. Okay. Okay, guys. The next topic is CDP. CDP stands for, guys, Cisco
And discovery protocol.
Discovery Protocol. First thing that you need to remember, that is the CDP is the Cisco proprietary, right? Na, it means it is DEVELOPED, developed and managed by Cisco. है ना? याद रहेगा ना everyone? That is developed
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
managed by Cisco. CDP operates at which layer, guys? It operates at layer number 2, right na? It operates at layer number 2. Clear na? Everyone? Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the use of CDP? Generally, it provides us some information in our network. Generally, what it is, guys, it provides us some information in our network. For example, host name. What, guys? Host name. What is the IP address of your host name? What is the IP address of host name? What is the platform? Platform means what is the model? Okay. And on this device, which type of software version you are using? For example, software version means iOS. Getting my point? Everyone. As well as it will tell you your host name, your other device is connected on which interface. It means you can understand like this: connected port. I understand na? Connected port. Getting my point? Everyone. So basically, CDP tells us about these things. Are they clear? Yes or no? Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, I take one router here. Okay. And for example, I take one switch here. I connect both devices like this. Fine. Come here on CLI. I am writing no gig 0/0, no shutdown. Oh, sorry. No shutdown. Clear? I'm writing IP address 10.0.0.1 255.0 and no shutdown. I already written there. Okay, na? Done na everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
I
sir.
write these
Yes, sir.
information. Now, if I write these information right now, this is both are the Cisco devices. Yes or no? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Right? Na? So,
Yes, sir.
for example, if I want to enable the CDP, if I want to enable the CDP, what is the command? What is the command to enable the CDP? Tell me, guys. CDP run. This is the command to enable the CDP. If you want to disable the CDP, what is the command? No CDP run.
Run.
Are you getting my point? Understand na?
Yes, sir.
So when you write na CDP run, it means you are enabling the CDP globally here. Globally means what is the meaning of globally and locally? Globally means it will be implemented for all the interface on the router. For example, इस router के ऊपर अगर 6, 7, 8, 10 interface है ना, सारे interface पे आपने क्या किया? CDP को enable कर दिया. Getting my point, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
for
sir.
example, interface gig 0 by 0. आपने कोई particular interface पे गए, आपने यहाँ लिखा CDP run, क्या ये लेगा? ये ले रहा है, ले लिया यहाँ पे, but actually ये उस चीज के लिए है
Local.
नहीं, right ना? So what? Interface gig 0 by 0. Here you need to write which command, guys? CDP enable. क्या चलानी पड़ती है भाई इंटरफेस पे? CDP enable
CDP
करना
enable.
बट वहां पे भी दे रहा था
है ना? अब नेक्स्ट चीज, आप CDP को वेरीफाई कैसे करोगे? व्हाट इज द कमांड गाइस? सो CDP नेबर. मैंने जब सो CDP नेबर चलाया, व्हाट इज द थिंग आई एम गेटिंग? सी ना, मेरा नेबर कौन है? स्विच है ना? अरे इस
Yes.
राउटर के साथ कौन कनेक्टेड है? स्विच
Switch.
इज कनेक्टेड ऑन विच इंटरफेस? गिग 0 by 0
Zero.
पे ही तो कनेक्टेड है. गिग 0 by 0 से ही तो आपका ये कनेक्टेड है. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
राइट ना
Yes,
एवरीवन?
sir.
दैट इज द लोकल इंटरफेस. लोकल मींस राउटर्स इंटरफेस. राइट ना एवरीवन? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
And that is the port ID. Port ID means this switch port ID, port interface. That I told you, right now everyone? Yes or no? That is the fast Ethernet 0 by 1. That is the platform. What is the model of this switch? I take 2960 switch, right now? So that's the reason this one. That is the whole time, that is the different thing. Clear now everyone? Yes or no? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
पैकेट ट्रेसर में सर डिटेल शो नहीं करता ना?
Sorry?
पैकेट ट्रेसर में डिटेल शायद शो नहीं करता.
नहीं नहीं,
DNS में होता है.
आपको इतनी चीजें ही इसमें दिखेगी. CDP में आपको इतनी चीजें ही दिखेगी. ठीक है? So that is the local interface, that is the router's interface, that is the port ID means this is the switch interface. Clear ना? That is the model. What do you mean by capability? Capability क्या होती है पता है तुम्हें? Capability is nothing as capability is telling you the device type. For example, that is the switch ना? Yes or no?
Yes,
ये
sir.
क्या है आपका? Switch है ना? That's the reason S यहाँ पे दिखा मिले आपको. S है, that is S. For example, same thing if you write ना here. आपने यहाँ गए, यहाँ लिखा आपने सो CDP नेबर.
तो बाय डिफॉल्ट CDP है ना बेटा?
यस, बाय डिफॉल्ट इनेबल होती है. अब आपकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या दिख रही है यहाँ पे?
हाँ, दैट्स मींस
यानी
राउटर.
सामने वाला डिवाइस क्या है? राउटर है. दैट्स द रीजन हियर यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट गाइस? आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? यस और नो? टेल मी.
And the device ID is basically the host name.
Device ID,
Device
yes,
ID.
that is basically the host name. For example, I come to the router, I am writing, go to the I am changing the host name Shubham. Done?
Yep.
Tell me, right na?
Yes, sir.
I am writing no
Yes, sir.
CDP run. I disable the CDP. Again I am
Yes.
writing CDP run. Enable कर दिया दोबारा से? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay. Now I am writing so CDP neighbor. What I am getting? Device ID. अरे क्या मिल रहा है मुझे? अपडेटेड डिवाइस आईडी क्या मिल रहा है मुझे अब?
आपका नाम.
नया वाला नाम.
Getting my point? What is this whole time? कोई बताएगा मुझे? What do you mean by whole time? This time is
उतने टाइम
telling
तक
you
याद रखेगा वो.
after this time this entry will expire.
Yes, sir.
This time is telling after this time my entry will expire. Getting my point? Understand? Tell me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear na? So that is something guys about the CDP. Clear na? Everyone understand?
Yeah.
Tell me guys yes or no? Clear
Yes.
na? Okay. Even for example, I don't know here it will work or not. There is a one more command if you guys want to check the CDP in a detail way. So CDP
वही सर मैं बोल रहा था कि डिटेल
neighbor
किधर नहीं शो करता.
detail. This is the command. So CDP neighbor detail. If you want to check your neighbors in a detail way, you guys can see here. Are you getting my point, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear na?
Yes, sir.
When you can write here, so CDP नहीं चलेगी यहाँ, traffic नहीं चलेगी. Clear na, everyone? So in CDP traffic, you guys will get CDP counters. Actually, how many output you are getting, how many packet you send, how many packet you receive, what are the CDP version. So basically these things you guys will get here. Clear na? Everyone, yes or no? There is one more command.
Yes,
So
sir.
CDP. If you write the so CDP, what are the thing you are getting? Sending packet every how much? 60 second. Whole time is by default how much, guys? 180.
180.
And what is the version? Version is, tell me guys, what is the version?
Version 2.
Yes, version 2. Getting my point? Is this clear na everyone? Yes or no?
Sir, and the default timings could be changed.
180.
Yes, yes, 180. It is.
180 is the by default time.
Can
Clear?
we change it?
Sorry?
Can we change the timing?
Yes, you can change the time also. You can change the time also. Clear?
So, what are the commands, sir?
What are the command to change the whole time?
Yes,
You mean?
yes, yes, sir.
I think in the global configuration mode, if I write CDP whole time or taking CDP, I press the question mark, CDP run. No, it is not taking, but actual command is CDP whole time and you can write here time.
Okay.
Clear? You can write here time in a second. Clear na? From, I think range is 10 to 255. Yes. By default time is 180. Clear na?
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Okay. So guys, I hope you guys understand what is the use of CDP. Clear na? So basically what is the use
Yes,
of
sir.
CDP? By the help of CDP, you guys are able to check your directly connected device information. Clear na? Everyone, tell me,
Yes, sir.
what is the by default setting of the CDP? By default, I told you na, by default, it is already enabled globally. Globally means on all the interface, right
Yes.
na?
Yes, sir.
And device
Yes, sir.
exchange the CDP message after every how much time, guys? 60 seconds. After I see na, you guys see the sending the packet after every how much time? 60
60
seconds.
seconds.
It means after every 60 seconds, your device will exchange the CDP messages. And what is the by default whole time? That is the 180 second. It means after 180 second, your device will expire. Your device will erase all the entry of your neighbor. Clear na? Everyone. Are you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Okay. So, yes, one more thing. That is very important question. When the router will send the CDP message to switch or switch will share, what are the MAC address they will exchange? Any idea? Please remember, they use the multicast MAC address. What guys? Please remember this one. Device use the multicast address for the CDP message exchange. What is the MAC address, guys? 0100 1 double C. That is the MAC address they use. Clear na? Everyone, yes or no? Understand, guys? Are
This
clear
is
na?
multicast MAC address.
Yes, CDP use the multicast MAC address. CDP use the multicast MAC address. Clear? And one more thing, guys. For example, if I connect here one PC, can I get this PC information here by the help of CDP here? Answer is no. Because CDP is the Cisco proprietary protocol. PC is not Cisco device. Are PC Cisco का थोड़ी ना होता है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right na? So you guys will get your connected device information only and only if those devices are Cisco device. Are clear na everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And I already told you what are the information you will get in the CDP. What are the information, guys? I already show you. What are the information? First I told you device ID. What is device ID? Second one I
ID.
told you guys IP address also, right ना? आपको IP address भी मिल जाएगा. Third thing आपको क्या मिलेगा guys? Platform मिलेगा. Yes, right ना everyone? Yes or no? आपको क्या
Yes.
मिलेगी? इंटरफेस की इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिल जाएगी. अरे क्लियर ना? इंटरफेस मीन्स लोकल इंटरफेस एज वेल एज रिमोट इंटरफेस बोथ मिल जाएगी आपको, राइट ना? अरे आपका खुद का इंटरफेस क्या है और सामने वाले का क्या इंटरफेस है? अरे टेल मी गाइस, यस और नो? आपको कैपेबिलिटी भी
Yes,
मिल
sir.
जाएगी. If there is a switch, then you will get S. If there is a router, you will get R.
R.
Clear ना? आपको क्या मिल जाएगी, सॉफ्टवेयर वर्जन भी मिल जाएगी। क्लियर ना, कि आप सामने वाला डिवाइस कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज कर रहा है। क्लियर ना, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मींस कौन सा iOS वर्जन यूज कर रहा है। क्लियर,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
अंडरस्टैंड? Okay. After that, I told you some of the command related to the CDP. What are those command, guys? आप कैसे CDP globally कैसे enable करोगे? What is the command to enable CDP globally? So
CDP.
CDP run. Sorry, CDP run.
Run.
Yes.
CDP run. That is the first command I told you. Right now, if you want to disable the CDP, what is the command? No CDP.
No CDP run.
Fine. That is the command by which you enable the CDP globally. Fine. Na? If you want to enable the CDP on interface, what is the command? CDP enable. What is, guys? CDP enable. This is the
Enable.
command by which you enable the CDP on interface. Fine. Na? Now, what is the command to check the CDP or CDP information? What is the command, guys? So CDP neighbor.
Neighbor.
That is the third command I told you. When you check the show CDP neighbor, you will get all the information which I written here. Clear na? Everyone, yes or no? Tell me. Right
Yes,
na? Okay. If you guys want to check the CDP neighbor in a detailed way, what is the command? Same command. So CDP neighbor. आपको लास्ट में क्या लिखनी पड़ेगी? डिटेल कीवर्ड, है ना? आपको और डिटेल में इंफॉर्मेशन.
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys? Everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. So after that, guys, I told you one more. आपको अगर CDP का स्टेटस देखना है, what is the command? So CDP. If you want to check the status of CDP, what is the command? So CDP. Right ना? आपको अभी तो बताया था भाई.
Yes, sir.
So CDP कितने पैक? So CDP इंफॉर्मेशन में आपको क्या दिखी थी? Everyone. अरे मैंने रन किया था ना गाइस यहाँ पे So CDP अभी.
सर वो आपने जो
Do so CDP. When I write the so CDP command, आपको क्या मिल रही है यहाँ पे? ग्लोबल CDP इंफॉर्मेशन. ग्लोबली क्या इनेबल्ड है आपके पास? कि हर पैकेट को आफ्टर एवरी 60 सेकंड पे भेजेगा. होल्ड टाइम क्या है इसका? 180 सेकंड. और वर्जन 2 यहाँ पे क्या
180
हो रहा है?
seconds.
यूज हो रहा है. अरे
Enable.
क्लियर ना एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Guys, that is all about the CDP. What do you mean by LLDP? I already told you PC will not generate the CDP. Okay na? Everyone. Arey,
Yes.
PC will not generate the CDP packet. Why? Because CDP protocol is designed for the Cisco device, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what do you mean by LLDP? What do you mean by LLDP? Any idea?
Yeah, link layer discovery protocol.
Okay, LLDP, guys. I just tell you something about the LLDP, but nowadays LLDP we are not using too much. LLDP. LLDP stands for, guys, first of all, link layer discovery protocol.
Protocols.
Fine. What is the use of LLDP? LLDP also works at layer number 2. It also works at layer number 2, and almost it is same as CDP.
CDP.
CDP की तरह ही है, बस कुछ कुछ नाम चेंज है, बस इतना ही है. Getting my point? So CDP कहाँ यूज करते हो guys? CDP we are using on the Cisco devices, right ना? And LLDP we are using on the different vendors devices. अरे clear ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are those command for LLDP? कोई बताएगा मुझे LLDP के लिए क्या क्या कमांड होती है? सेम ही कमांड होती है. मैं पैकेट से पूरा नहीं दिखा सकता, बट LLDP के लिए भी क्या कमांड होती है? सेम ही कमांड होती है. If you want to enable the LLDP globally, what is the command? LLDP and run. This is the command. If you want to enable the LLDP globally. If you want to disable the LLDP, what is the command? No LLDP run. This is the command.
Yeah.
Are clear na everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you want to check the LLDP, what in case of CDP, what was the command written, guys? So CDP never. ये लिखा था ना हमने उस टाइम.
Yes, sir.
अरे
Yes,
CDP
sir.
के केस में क्या लिखा था? So CDP never ही तो चलाया था. यहाँ
Yes.
क्या चलाओगे? So LLDP never.
Yes.
क्लियर है गाइस?
Yes.
अगर आपको डिटेल में देखनी थी तो क्या चलाया था आपने? So CDP नेबर डिटेल, यही चलाया था ना भाई?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ क्या चलाओगे? So LLDP नेबर और फिर डिटेल. बताओ, बस नाम में ही फर्क है ना भाई? यस और नो?
Yes.
क्लियर ना?
Yes, sir.
यस. Are they clear, everyone? Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Final thing, what is the difference between CDP and LLDP? CDP and LLDP में difference क्या क्या मिला हमें? First difference, guys, that is used for Cisco only, right ना? Yes or no? And that it is for multi-vendor.
Open standard.
It is for multi-vendor, right ना?
Vendor.
And it is the Cisco proprietary protocol, है ना? इसके ऊपर बस एक आदमी का कब्जा है, that is the Cisco, right?
Cisco.
एंड LLDP क्या है भाई? ओपन स्टैंडर्ड है ना भाई?
Yes,
ओपन
sir.
क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड है. CDP का पैकेट, device will exchange the CDP packet after how much time? 60 seconds. Yes na everyone? अरे device exchange the
Yes, sir.
CDP message after every 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
In LLDP that is 30 seconds. क्या है भाई? That is 30 seconds. Clear ना?
And the whole time
Whole time same ही है.
180.
Time same है. Clear है guys? Everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And I already told you, if you guys want to change the whole time, what is the command, guys? Same command आपको लिखनी है. Global configuration mode में जानी है. Command लिखनी है CDP hold time.
And
और
the
यहाँ
time.
पे आपको टाइम डालनी है सेकंड के अंदर. ठीक है ना? Range will be guys 0 to
255.
By default whole time will be guys 180.
180.
अरे clear ना everyone? Yes or no?
Yeah.
When
Yes,
you
sir.
write, when you change the time, then you write. If you want to verify, how can you verify? You write so CDP. जब आप लिखोगे ना so CDP, अरे getting my point? तो
Yes.
आपको whole time क्या दिखेगी वहां पे? 120 दिखेगी. क्या दिखेगी guys? When you write the so CDP, you guys will get whole time how much? 120. Right now how much you are
180.
getting? 180 दिख रहा है ना आपको यहाँ पे?
180.
हाँ sir.
अरे right now अभी क्या दिख रही है? 180 दिख रहा है ना?
180.
फॉर
हाँ.
एग्जाम्पल आपने टाइम 120 कर दिया, आपने
हाँ.
चेंज कर दिया, फिर आपको क्या दिखेगी यहाँ पे? 120.
120.
क्लियर ना एवरीवन? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
ओके. आई
Yes, sir.
होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय CDP एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय LLDP. इज दिस क्लियर एवरीवन? Okay guys, now we are going to discuss guys our next topic, that is called packet flow in the different subnet. Clear guys? Packet flow in the different subnet means, subnet means what? Subnet means guys called network.
Network.
So different subnet means, it means we have a more than one network, right na? And if we want to make communication possible from one network to another network, we need a router. What we need guys? Router. Right?
Router.
What is the use of switch? If you want to make communication possible in the same network, this is possible because of switch,
Switch.
right na? But
Yes.
if you want different network communication, then you need guys router. Clear? So here we have a 10th network and this is called 20 network. This PC belongs to 10th network and this PC belongs to 20 network. Now I want to ping from PC1 to PC2, means from 10th network to 20 network. Clear? Here
Yes.
I assign the IP address guys 10.1. Here I assign the IP address 20.1. Here I assign 10.10 and here I assign IP 20.10. For this PC number 1, the default gateway will be guys 10.10. What do you mean by default gateway? Default gateway is nothing. Default
The
gateway
exit
is
point of the network.
exit point of the network. For example, this is the room, and in this room, for example, you are there. If you want to exit from this room, definitely you will exit from the door. Yes or no? Right na?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, that is the complete network. If this PC wants to exit from this network, what is the gate? This is the gate, and this is the IP of the gate. So that is called guys default gateway. Similarly, for this PC, what is the default gateway? This is the default gateway. Are they clear now, everyone? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, I come here on PC number 1. I write here, guys, what is the command? Ping 20.0.0.1. I write here, guys, ping 20.0.0.1. PC number 1 generate how many packet, guys? 2 packet. Red one is the ICMP and green one is guys ARP, right? Are tell me yes or no? Clear na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, come here on ICMP. You know, in ICMP packet, everything is there. ICMP hand over this packet to layer number 3. Yes or no? In
Yes.
layer number 3, what is the
Yes.
source IP address? In layer
10.1.
number 3, what is the source IP address? Everyone
10.1.
writing here,
10.1.
ICMP. In ICMP, source IP is your 10.1 and destination IP is how much?
20.1.
20.1. Clear? And TTL value is how much? 128.
128.
Clear na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And protocol number is guys 1
1.
because it IP protocol received this information from ICMP.
Yes.
Clear na? So that is all about the ICMP. Now, sorry, that is all about the complete ICMP packet. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
na?
sir.
And this IP protocol is not going to hand over to layer number 2 because that layer number 2 destination MAC was missing. Right na? Yes or no?
Yes,
अरे
sir.
destination MAC missing है ना भाई? Yes or
Yes,
no?
Yes, sir.
PC1 को नहीं पता destination का MAC क्या है. So that's the reason that packet was not encapsulated. So that's the reason you are not able to see here the IP header. आपको यहाँ पे IP, sorry, Ethernet header इसीलिए आपको नहीं दिख रही है. Clear ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what ARPA will do? ARPA will hand over this task to ARP. Right na? Are clear na everyone? Yes or
Yes,
no? Now
Yes.
open the ARP. In ARP packet, what are the things? See, in ARP, first of all, this PC number 1 generate what is the source MAC? DA02. It means that is the MAC address of PC number 1. Yes na? Yes or no?
Yes,
Are
sir.
tell me guys. DA02. That is the source MAC address. Source IP address guys 10.1. Clear?
10.1.
Target MAC. Target MAC is 0000 and target IP 10.10. Why 10.10?
Default gateway.
Yes,
Because
actually, I
ARP
already told
could
you.
not cross
You
the
run
network.
here, you ping here 20.1. PC run the AND operation and PC find 20.1 means that is a different network, right? Na?
Network.
So PC will forward this packet towards your default gateway.
Gateway.
है ना? तो इसीलिए आपको टारगेट आईपी क्या दिखी यहाँ पे 10.10 दिखी. That is the ARP header, right? ARP header hand over this packet to layer number 2, right? Now that is the 2.5 layer, right? ना it hand over the layer number 2. At layer number 2 में destination MAC क्या दिखेगी आपको guys? FF broadcast, right ना? And source MAC क्या दिखेगी
Yes, sir.
guys आपको? Again DA02. अरे clear ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is all. Now what PC1 will do? PC1 will forward this packet towards the default gateway. That is the default gateway router. Clear na? So router receive your which packet? ARP packet. अरे
Yes.
राउटर को क्या मिली? ARP पैकेट मिली. अब राउटर क्या करेगा? यहीं से ARP पैकेट के क्या जनरेट करेगा भाई? रिप्लाई. Because ARP packet never cross one network to another. Please remember this.
Another network.
आइदर आप ये लाइन याद कर लो, आइदर आप ये लाइन याद कर लो कि राउटर कभी भी ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट को आगे फॉरवर्ड नहीं करता. दोनों बात एक ही है. आप अब ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आप किस तरीके से समझते हो. क्लियर गाइस एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
आइदर आप समझ
Yes,
लो
sir.
कि आपका ARP पैकेट एक नेटवर्क से दूसरे नेटवर्क में जाएगा नहीं, या तो आप ये समझ लो कि ये राउटर कभी भी ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट को आगे फॉरवर्ड नहीं करता, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि ARP का पैकेट, ARP रिक्वेस्ट पैकेट ऑलवेज भी ब्रॉडकास्ट. क्लियर ना? यस
Yes,
और नो?
yes, sir.
इट मीन दैट इज
Yes,
द
sir.
ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट गाइस. FFF दिख रहा है ना भाई, तो ब्रॉडकास्ट ही तो है
हाँ.
गाइस. क्लियर ना? यस और नो?
Yes,
So
sir.
router
Yes, sir.
will never forward your broadcast packet from one network to another network. It means now this router will generate the ARP reply packet for PC number 1, right ना? चलो
Yes.
open करो. That is the inbound. Inbound means this is the packet router 1 receive it from PC number 1, right ना? PC number 1 से यही मिला. अरे क्लियर ना? यस और नो?
Yes,
अब
sir.
हम डिस्कस
Yes,
करते हैं
sir.
आउटबाउंड. आउटबाउंड में राउटर क्या कर रहा है? राउटर इज जनरेटिंग द ARP रिप्लाई.
Reply.
It is generating the ARP reply. ARP reply for PC number 1 के लिए कर रहा है, right ना everyone? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? So in ARP reply, what is the source MAC? Source MAC is guys
0.
C401. that is the MAC address of this interface.
Yes.
That is the MAC address of this interface. Clear, guys? Everyone? Tell me. Clear,
Yes,
na? C401.
Yes, sir.
Now, source IP. Source IP is 10.10. That is the source IP, na? Yes or no? Who is generating? Router is generating, na? Here. So, source IP will be 10.10. Clear, na? Now, target MAC will be, guys, this PC number 1 MAC address. That is the DA02. Yes, na? Yes or no? And target IP will be, guys, 10.1. अरे ये राउटर किसके लिए फॉरवर्ड कर रहा है? पीसी 1 के लिए भेज रहा है ना. राउटर के लिए टारगेट कौन है? पीसी है. तो टारगेट आईपी विल बी गाइस 10.1. क्लियर गाइस एवरीवन? यस और नो? राइट?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
it
sir.
hand over to the layer number 2. At layer number 2, what are the things you are getting? At layer number 2, you are getting the again source MAC address. That is the MAC address. Destination MAC address will be, that is the MAC address. अरे clear ना? Yes or no? Clear ना everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is called, guys, ARP reply. That is called ARP reply. Now, close it. See, this ARP reply reach on PC1. What PC1 will do? PC1 क्या करेगा? Who can tell me?
उसको
What
रिसीव
PC1
करेगा.
will do? Sorry?
रिसीव करेगा उसको.
PC1 receive करेगा. Is there anything else? Guys, PC number 1 immediately maintain the ARP table. Yes or no? अपने
Yes.
ARP table में भी तो install करेगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right
Yes,
ना?
sir.
PC1 के ARP table में पहले से क्या इंफॉर्मेशन थी? Before the PC number 1 ARP table 10.1 for this IP MAC address was what is?
DA02.
DA02. Right? Now PC number 1 received the ARP reply packet from this router. So PC number 1 install 10.10 IP address. Source IP is 10.10 and the MAC address of this IP is what is?
601.
3401. Done na everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
If everything will happen within 2 seconds, then fine. Otherwise, PC number 1 will drop the first ICMP packet. Right ना? आपको बताया था मैंने. Clear ना? पहली ICMP के पैकेट ड्रॉप हो जाती है. उसकी टाइम 2 सेकंड की ही होती है. Done?
Yes, sir.
Understand ना? Okay. After 2 seconds, what PC number 1 will do? PC number 1 will generate the again ICMP packet. Which packet, guys? ICMP packet. Clear? So in ICMP packet, again every information will be same. Yes or no? अरे यही information होगी ना?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
information, what it will do? It will hand over to which layer?
Layer number 2. माने 3. IP. Layer number 3.
Yes, IP header पे every information you guys will get. Yes or no? At layer number 2. At layer number 2, it hand over the ARPA. Yes or no? Everyone, yes or no? What
Yes.
ARPA will do?
Yes,
ARPA
sir.
get the source IP. Source IP is 10.1. ARPA check its ARP table. MAC address is DA02. There is no problem. Yes or no? Done?
Yes.
Now, ARPA check. What is the destination IP? Destination IP is 10.10. Yes, na everyone? Yes or no? Array, PC1 is forwarding
Yes,
to the default gateway, na? And for 10.10, you get the IP address C401. Right, na? So now PC number 1 send the ICMP packet towards this router. That is the ICMP packet. Clear, guys? Everyone? Yes or no?
Okay.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, that is the ICMP packet outbound. See, in outbound packet, see na, that is the ICMP packet. Opcode is there, sequence number, everything is there. Are tell me yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
ICMP handover to the IP. In IP, TTL value is there. Fine. Protocol number is 1 is there. Source IP is 10.1 is there. Destination IP is 20.1 there. Everything is there. Clear? Now, IP handover to ARPA. Right na? What ARPA do? ARPA add the Ethernet header. What is the content? Source MAC address is, guys, sorry, source MAC address is DA02, right? And destination MAC address is default gateway.
3401.
Which one, guys? Default gateway
Default gateway MAC
MAC
address.
address. Are clear everyone? Yes or no? Done
Yes,
na?
sir.
Okay. Now PC number 1 forward the ICMP packet towards this router. Fine. This router received the ICMP packet. Clear? What this router will do? See na, this ICMP packet is getting dropped. यहाँ पे drop हो रहा है ना ICMP का packet.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
क्यों drop हो रहा है? Any idea?
The destination is 20.1 and the MAC address is default.
Okay. This is the inbound packet, outbound packet. आ जाओ. देखो. because this device still don't know what is the MAC address of the destination, guys. Yes or no? इस डिवाइस को अभी भी destination का MAC address पता नहीं है. That's the reason. See na, I open this packet. Now this device is generating which packet? ARP again. Understand? अरे same thing will happen. अरे जो भी चीजें आपकी ना यहाँ हुई है ना भाई, जो भी चीजें आपकी यहाँ हुई है ना, same thing will happen here. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is clear? Now again this router will generate which packet, guys? ARP request. For which? For PC number 2, because this router don't know what is the MAC address of PC number 2. Are tell me yes or no?
Yes.
Some
Yes, sir.
router. So IPR. See 20.1. What is the IP address of PC? 20.1 ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
PC का IP क्या है? 20.1 ना? देखो 20.1 के लिए MAC एड्रेस क्या है इसका?
नहीं, इनकम्प्लीट
नहीं है ना भाई. ये
हाँ.
कैसे मिलेगा इसको?
हाँ.
ARP एक्सचेंज से मिलेगी. अब ये भी क्या करेगा अपना ARP भेजेगा. चलो ARP ओपन करते हैं. Let's open the ARP. See in this ARP, what are the information you are getting? First thing, what is the source IP? You know, 20.10. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Source IP
Yes,
will be
sir.
20.10. Destination IP will be, guys, I mean target IP will be, guys, 20.1. Clear? Yes or no? Are you clear na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Source MAC address will be C402. C402. This one. This interface. Gig 0/1 MAC address. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
C401 was the MAC address of gig 0/0. था ना?
हम्म.
अरे C401 0/0 का MAC address था.
हाँ सर.
0/1 का MAC address क्या है? 0/2 है. Clear? Now, target MAC address is 0000 because this router don't know what is the MAC address of PC number 2. Clear? So
Yes.
MAC address क्या है यहाँ पे? 000. Clear? It hand over to the layer number 2. At layer number 2, ARPA add the Ethernet header. In Ethernet header, what is the source MAC? Again, C402. This interface MAC address and destination MAC address is broadcast. Clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Done?
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
router send the ARP request packet to the PC. What PC will do? First of all, PC will add this entry in which table?
ARP
अरे
table.
ARP टेबल में एंट्री भी तो करेगा. अरे
हाँ,
टेल मी
sir.
गाइस.
Yes, sir.
ना
Yes,
देख लो
sir.
20.10 का 20.10 का यानी राउटर के इस वाले इंटरफेस का मैक एड्रेस को इसने क्या कर लिया? लर्न कर लिया. क्लियर गाइस, एवरीवन? यस और नो? डन. लर्निंग टास्क कंप्लीट. नाउ पीसी विल सेंड द forwarding task. So in forwarding task, that is the inbound. Now come to the outbound. In outbound, what are the information? Come here. That is the ARP request or reply. Who can tell me? Opcode is 02.
Reply,
That is the
reply.
ARP reply. Clear?
Reply.
What is the source IP? 20.1. That is the PC number 2 IP address. Clear? Done
Yes.
na? Now, what is the source MAC address? 218D. That is the MAC address of PC number 2. Right na? अरे ये PC number 2 का ही MAC address है. Clear guys,
हाँ,
everyone?
sir.
Yes or no? Done? Now, what is the target IP? Target IP is 20.10 because this PC wants to send the reply to 20.10. इसी को ना भेजेगा भाई, क्योंकि 20.10 से ही तो इसे मिला था रिक्वेस्ट. रिप्लाई भी तो उसी
Yes.
को करेगा. Yes
हाँ,
or
sir.
no?
हाँ, sir.
Okay. And target MAC will be C402 because PC number 2 already know what is the MAC address of 20.10. Clear ना? और अपने ARP टेबल में भी उसने एंट्री डाल लिया है. Done everyone? Yes or no?
हाँ, sir.
अरे
Yes,
guys, right ना? Same information on Ethernet header. See, it forward back to the router. Yes or no? Router के पास आ गई. अरे tell me guys, yes or no?
हाँ,
Router क्या
sir.
करेगा?
Yes, sir.
First of all, router will perform the learning task. What?
The
Learning task. See here. Now run the same command. See, now 20.10 20.1 के लिए दिख रहा है MAC address. Yes or no?
हाँ, sir. दिख रहा है.
Yes, sir.
अब उसने क्या किया? अपने ARP टेबल में लर्न कर लिया. क्लियर गाइज, एवरीवन? यस और नो? डन ना?
हाँ, sir.
ओके. तो उसके ARP टेबल में एंट्रीज आ गई. क्लियर ना एवरीवन? यस और नो? दैट इज दी इनबाउंड ना, जो इसे पैकेट मिली है. क्लियर ना एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
It means by this way, what happened? By this way, router learn the MAC address of PC number 2. So it means Now PC number 1 know. Now what happened, guys? Till now what happened? Now PC number know what is the MAC address of 10.10. It means this one. Yes or no? Then
Yes.
PC number 2 know what is the MAC address of 20.10. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Then
sir.
this router know what is the MAC address of 10.10 means my MAC address, 20.10 MAC address, 10.1 MAC address and 20.1 MAC address. बताओ किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो अभी?
नहीं है.
इतना चीजें क्लियर है एवरीवन? डन?
Yes, sir.
नाउ अब सोचोगे कि सर यहाँ पे आईसीएमपी पैकेट था वो क्या हो गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो था ना आईसीएमपी पैकेट, तो यहाँ से ट्रेवल हुआ था. गाइस 2 सेकंड से ज्यादा लग गई. क्लियर ना? तो आईसीएमपी पैकेट क्या हो गई आपकी?
Drop
ड्रॉप
हो
हो
गई.
गई.
Drop.
PC number 1 again generate करेगा, because I already told you if you are using the Windows use how many ICMP packet when you ping? 4.
4
right
packet.
ना? अगर
Yes,
आप
sir.
Cisco iOS use करोगे तो how much? 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Done. Come here. Now see what is the packet. This is the again fresh ICMP packet. Done ना? अब देखो. Now when PC number 1 is generating the ICMP packet, this ICMP packet is completely encapsulated. Here you are able to see ICMP header. Here you are able to see IP header, and now able to see Ethernet header also.
Ethernet header.
Header.
Right ना? लेकिन जब फर्स्ट टाइम पिंग कर रहे थे तो Ethernet header गायब था. Right ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So IP header is everything. Now come to the IP header. In IP header source IP is 10.1. Destination आप 20.1 को पिंग कर रहे हो. Clear ना everyone? TTL value is how much? 128.
128.
Clear? Now come to the Ethernet header. And protocol number is 1. Right? Now Ethernet header. In Ethernet header, what is the source MAC address? Source MAC address is DA02. That is the MAC address. Clear na? Destination
sir.
MAC address is C401. C401 was the MAC address of gig 0/0. यही था ना भाई? अरे
Yes.
ये C401 था,
हाँ,
ये
sir.
C402 था.
हाँ.
Done ना? So
Yes,
now
sir.
ये किसे भेज रहा है? Default gateway को. Clear? Yes or no? It forward the packet to the default gateway. Router receive this packet. Then what router will do? Open this. This is the inbound. Router receive this packet. Clear? Done na?
हाँ, sir.
Now router will perform some modification in this packet and forward this packet back towards the PC number 2. Done ना? देखो आउटबाउंड में आ जाओ. क्या इसने चेंज किया? देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आईसीएमपी के अंदर कुछ भी चेंज नहीं है. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
आईसीएमपी के अंदर कुछ भी चेंज नहीं है भाई. नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
ओके. कम हियर इन द आईपी हेडर. फर्स्ट थिंग टीटीएल वैल्यू कितनी हो गई?
127. एक घट गई.
एक decrete हुई ना everyone? Yes or no? I told you ना, whenever
Yes,
any
sir.
packet cross your layer 3 device, your TTL value will be decremented by 1.
1.
That
One.
the reason TTL value is 127. Protocol number is 1. Source IP is 10.1. Destination IP is 20.1. No change. Everything is fine. Tell me
हाँ,
guys.
Yes, sir.
Right ना? आपको IP header के अंदर एक ही चेंज देखने को मिल रही है. That is the TTL.
TTL value.
Done na? Now come to the layer number 2. At layer number 2, what is the source MAC address? C402.
C402.
Now that is the MAC address of gig 0/1.
1.
Understand ना? यानी आपको लेयर 2 पे एक चेंज देखने को मिल रही है. That is called source MAC address. Right? Source MAC address क्या है guys? Source MAC address is C402 gig 0/1 MAC address. अरे clear ना? Yes or no?
हाँ,
Done ना? Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the destination MAC address? See na? Here what was the destination MAC address? C4A0. That is the MAC address. Right na? In outbound, what is the destination MAC address? Change? Yes or no?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
tell me?
Yes, sir.
What is the destination MAC address?
210D.
8D. It means your router, your ARPA protocol check. What is the destination IP address? What is the destination IP address? 20.1. Right?
1.
Yes or no? अरे destination IP address क्या है आपका? 20.1 है ना?
हाँ, sir.
Now ARPA क्या
हाँ.
बोलेगा कि भाई एक काम करो, अपना ना ARP टेबल ओपन करते हैं. Now ARPA check the ARP table and try to find, do we have 20.1? Yes, I have 20.1 and MAC address is 218D. Done ना? ARPA क्या करेगा? 218D यहाँ डाल देगा. Clear guys everyone? Yes or no? Done?
हाँ, sir.
Done
Yes,
ना?
sir.
So please remember at router what is happening? Two things is changing. Layer number 3 पे क्या change हो रहा है आपका भाई? Layer number 3 पे only and
TTL
only
value.
TTL value change हो रही है.
TTL value.
At layer number 2 source MAC and destination MAC change हो रही है. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Done?
हाँ
Now
sir.
Yes, sir.
router forward this packet towards the PC number 2. What PC number 2 will do? PC number 2 again entry को update कर लेगा. क्या generate करेगा? ICMP reply. Yes or no? अरे tell me. ICMP reply. अरे type
Reply.
field is 00 ना? Yes or no? That is the reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the ICMP reply. Source IP is, sorry, source IP is 20.1. PC number 2 IP address. Destination is PC number 1. अरे clear ना? Yes or no? TTL value is again 128. Clear? Now, come here on the Ethernet. Ethernet header, source MAC is PC number 2 MAC address and destination is C402. That is the MAC address of this router gig 0/1 default gateway. This is the MAC address of default gateway. Clear? Any problem? Okay.
No.
PC2
No.
forward this packet towards the router. What router will do? Router again perform some modification. What? Same modification. See here. ICMP no modification. ICMP में कोई change हुआ? नहीं change हुआ?
नहीं.
आ जाओ IP में.
TTL
TTL value
change.
क्या हो गई? 127. बाकी कोई change हुआ?
7.
देखो कोई change नहीं हुआ?
No.
Okay. कम आ जाओ Ethernet पे. Ethernet पे क्या change हुई? Source MAC and destination.
Destination MAC.
Done ना? Everyone. Yes or no?
Yes
Done
sir.
ना?
Yes.
Source MAC क्या हो गई आपकी? Source MAC will be C401. It means gig 0/0 MAC address will be
0.
the source. And destination will be DA02. It means that is the MAC address of PC number 2. अरे done ना? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This router forward back to the packet towards the PC number 1. अरे getting my point everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Done ना? What
Yeah.
PC number 1 will do? Again update its entry. Done na? Yes or no? I
Yeah.
hope everyone understand. Clear guys? Yes or no? Come to the PC. When you come to the PC, see, you send, how many packet you send guys? 4 packet. Reply कितनी मिली आपको? 3.
Three.
एक पैकेट क्या हुई? Loss हुई. Why? See ना, request time out you are getting ना? Why? Because of the ARP process. जो ARP process हुई थी ना first time में, याद करो, पैकेट यहाँ पे आके ड्रॉप हो गई थी आपकी, है ना भाई?
हाँ हाँ.
Yes ना? So that's the reason. First packet is request timeout. Done everyone?
Yes.
Clear? I
Yes.
hope everyone now understand what is the packet flow in different subnet. Clear guys? Everyone?